Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson. I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today at Guaranty RV Centers of this North Trail product. It's a new 2019, so it's changed. It's actually the most unique floor plan I've seen in quite some time in a small 25-foot rear lounge package. It's called a 25 LRSS. We'll go ahead and start in the back end over here where this really unique rear lounge, and we'll finish up on the outside. We've got the back seats over here that you see with cup holders and place for storage inside the middle there. It's kind of cool. So you've got like a theater seating, and then your slide out booth dinette with all this area in the kitchen living area. You've got a big TV set right here, an entertainment center that you can see. This can be adjusted and seen from all the locations. You've got good counter space up in through this area, so if you want to be able to put coffee and what have you in there, you got really good space. You've got really nice solid surface counters which make it nice. The North Trail product by Heartland is going to be a little bit above the average in an ultra light. It's really nicely trimmed out. The interior's got some nice cabinetry, the way it's all finished off with a little accent trim inside the panels there. If you look, you've got a little bit of a crown to the ceiling up here, which is also very nice. You've got really nice decor. The refrigerator is in the slide out here, so you can see where that's at. As far as the rest of the area here, overhead, pretty good storage in this kitchen. So whenever you have the way the design is set up, if you like a lot of kitchen space and some actual drain board there in the kitchen, it's really nice to have. It's not a super long trailer, but you get really good storage ability inside. Another nice part about it is that if you like a really large area in the bathroom, maybe you're quite busy, you like to change clothes quite a bit, and you want to be able to have that. Look at how big that shower area is. I won't step in there today, but it's quite large, and that gives you an opportunity to be able to be really comfortable, but also to change clothes in here. You have plenty of room. You got lots of counter in here where the sink is, and a little area here for medicine cabinet stuff. And then of course over here to my left, you've got some other storage area in there for the linens and what have you. The toilet's easy access there, nice pocket door, and you have a solid pocket door that would separate the master suite as well. There's an access door there to get in and out of the master bedroom area. You've got a little nightstand on each side of the bed area, and these cupboards up here open up. So you've got good storage ability there. You got some little map reading lights over there. And there'll be storage that's going to be up underneath. I think here you'll see that you've got some storage underneath there, and that table probably works as actually making that extra sleeping area out of that U-shaped booth dinette. So what you'll see with this product is all aluminum. It's a true 2-inch wall, which is pretty unique in this business to have a real thick wall. The better that is for better insulation, also for construction wise. I'll show you up under the bed area there how they build that to make this coach a very strong coach. So it's a product that's well worth coming to see if you haven't ever seen it before. These steps I have going in and out are very solid as well, and they're pretty unique design. So and one of the unique features they had is having that fold up in the door area here so that you can be able to have a real rigid steps for going in and out. The patio awning, of course, is quite large outside. You got a grab handle on the way in and out of the main door. You've got outside speakers out here for entertainment. You have custom wheels, and you also see that you'll have a spread axle there that helps for having less tongue weight up front. Makes it a real nice balanced trailer for towing. But again, laminated vacuum walls, true 2-inch wall, nice heavy duty solid doors here. You've got nice automotive seals to help keep all the dust out. But look at how large that area is in there. Makes it very nice. You're probably going to have some controls here which will control the jacks, so you can have that for being able to put the jacks up and down, which makes it nice as well. You're also going to have a nice cap up here that you see on the front that's all painted, and that makes a big difference for longevity down the road as well. It wraps over the edges nicely on that corner. You've got diamond plate colored back across the front. Your double tanks here. One of the things I was going to share with you was in this compartment In this area, what's unique is they take the same wall material, which is 2-inch, and they protect that up at the head of the bed up here so it keeps less draft and all that. So it's a really nice finished off area, very solid inside that, that storage compartment area. So it's a fine product. It's designed to last a long time, aluminum frame. They've got a solar charge little receiver connection here, a universal connection, so that's nice to have. You got room for 2 deep cycle marine batteries up front here, and you've got a cable system on that slide out that has been very, very reliable for the Heartland North Trail product. It takes a good amount of weight out of that trailer, so you're towing less weight down the road, and it's really a fantastic product. So if you have any more questions, at the end of this video you'll see a phone number. You can give me a call anytime, and one of the sales guys here will help you out, as well as myself. We love what we do here at Guaranty. It's a great place to work. It's a good time to consider getting an RV and getting out and having some fun. So come on, see Guaranty when you get a chance, and call me if you need any more questions answered. Again, Tom Peterson, and thank you for your time.